So I have to find where in the first quadrant this line y equals x plus 2 intersects the circle that has the center at -1, 0, and it has a radius of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So I've got this circle that looks something like this. Okay? And I've got this line, x plus 2. So I'm looking for that point there. I want to know the x and the y coordinates for that point. So the easiest way to do this is to come up with an equation for the circle. Well, if the center is -1, 0 and radius equals 6, that tells me that I've got an equation x plus 1 squared plus y squared, because it's y minus 0, has to equal 36, 6 squared. And I can replace the y with the x plus 2. So we have x plus 1 squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 36. So what I'm seeing is a quadratic equation that I'm going to have to expand out. So this side expand. I've got to FOIL it out. Remember, I'm doing x plus 1 times x plus 1, and I'm going to have to do x plus 2 times x plus 2. So that's going to be x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 36. And then I can combine like terms. Gives me 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 has to be equal to 36. Since it's a quadratic equation, I have to set it equal to 0. So 2x squared plus 6x minus 31 equals 0. So I'll enter in the coefficients. So I'm getting two answers here. Which one do I want? Well, if I think about, remember that I want to be in the first quadrant, x has to be positive. So I certainly don't want the negative one. So that means my x value for that coordinate is 2.713. And if I know that equation, to find the y coordinate is x plus 2, I'm just going to add 2 to that. So it's 4.713 will be the y coordinate for that point where that circle intersects that line, or that line intersects that circle. And that, if that looks reasonable, 2 point, I know my drawing's off a little bit, but that's reasonable. Hope that helps.